You're spending 2,500 Apollo credits and still only getting 2 verified leads for AI CRM companies. Meanwhile, Xplay is delivering over 1,200 verified leads. Same searches, same objectives, but the results are worlds apart. Apollo is a well-known name in B2B sales with a huge database and a slick dashboard. But with generic filters and limited targeting options, the results often fall short. On the other hand, there's Xplay. Now, Xplay flips the script. It's the first semantic lead generation tool designed for precision. You can use natural language prompts, get verified leads instantly, and you don't need subscriptions or any of that extra fluff. Don't believe me? Let's run a test. Let's do a live demo of both tools to see what results they deliver. Now, the first thing I want to test here is an educational AI tool with a mobile app. I click the search button with Xplay, and the results I get are 142 companies that are an exact match for my search. Now, let's search for the exact same thing on Apollo. When I search, Apollo doesn't give me any results at all. So you get 0 results on Apollo and 142 on Xplay. Let's do another test. I want to test something shorter and simpler. No-code website builder. Xplay gives me 620 companies that exactly match my search. Now, when I do the exact same search on Apollo, the results are 29 companies. Let's try something more common. I'm going to search for AI CRM for HR. Apollo doesn't give me any results, while Xplay gives me 1 result that's an exact match for my search. Now, let's do one last search for chat PDF alternatives. Xplay, for the exact match, gives me 3 companies that match exactly what I searched for. When I go to Apollo and search for the same keyword, I don't get any results either. Now, Apollo also relies on static filters. As you can see here, you can search by industry, location, job title. Classic, but rigid. On the other hand, Xplay uses semantic AI. You can ask for remote-first fintechs with top-tier themes, and you actually get results. You get verified contact information, email and LinkedIn, all checked through zero bounce. And also, another big difference is the price, because at the end of the day, price matters. With Xplay, you pay as you go. For $10, you get 1,000 verified leads, whereas with Apollo, even if it's not a good fit for you, you still have to pay a $59 plus monthly subscription. So both tools are great, but it really depends on your goals. If you want to pay $59 a month for 2,500 credits and probably not reach a goal, then Apollo is for you. But if you want to pay as you go, $10 for every 1,000 verified contacts, then Xplay is for you. Now, if you're okay with your data accuracy being unverified and mixed, and you're willing to verify it yourself and spend that time, then Apollo is for you. But if you want the data to be verified, cascaded, and double-checked by zero bounce, then Xplay is for you. And also the user interface. Honestly, with Apollo, I got a bit stressed out at first. It just looks too cluttered with filters and isn't as user-friendly compared to Xplay, which is prompt-based and uses natural language. And if we also compare the speed at which I got results, Apollo took a couple of minutes just to tell me there were no results. Xplay did it in just a few seconds. So if you're tired of paying monthly subscriptions for outdated data and useless search engines, it's time to try Xplay. More leads, more precision, less fluff. Try it now by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss our future business videos that are sure to help you with your business. And if you still have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll answer them for you. Thank you so much, and that's all for now.